Hi and welcome to this video on solving equations and rearranging formulas, maths made easy. Now the steps are the same whether we're going to solve for x, rearrange to make x the subject, or to change the subject of an equation. First of all, if we're given this equation, we need to get rid of the square root. How do we get rid of the square root? We do that by squaring both sides of the equation. So when we square, we get rid of the square root on this left hand side, square the 4 and we get 16. Then we get rid of any fractions. How do we get rid of the fraction? We do that by multiplying each of the top terms by the denominator. So remember, a term is separated by a minus sign or a plus sign. So this becomes 2 multiplied by 2x plus 5. When we multiply the minus x plus 2 by the denominator, it cancels out. So we're just left by minus x plus 2. And then multiply the 16, don't forget that, by the denominator. So we get 2 multiplied by 2x plus 5 minus x plus 2, remember that cancelled out, equals 16, 2x plus 5. Then multiply out the brackets, so 2 times 2x, 4x, plus 2 times 5, 10, minus x plus 2 equals 16 times 2x, 32x, plus 5 times 16, 80. So it becomes 4x minus x minus 32x equals 80, minus 10 minus 2 when we collect all the x terms on the left hand side. So moving the 32x becomes minus 32x. So plus 10, move to the other side, becomes minus 10. Plus 2, move to the other side, becomes minus 2. Combine the like terms. 4x minus x, 3x. 3x minus 32x minus 29x. 80 minus 10 minus 2, 68. Minus 29x equals 68. And then we divide by minus 29 when we keep the x on the other side, so it becomes x equals minus 68 divided by 29. Okay, let's go through the steps again. We're going to make the y the subject here, so get rid of the square root, so this becomes b squared equals 2a minus a squared, and it's the minus a squared divided by 2y plus 1. So we want to get rid of the fraction next. Get rid by cross multiplying. Remember what we said when we multiply this term, and then multiply this, the whole thing, by 2y plus 1. This gets rid of this, but it also cancels this out, this 2y plus 1. So on this, we'll be just left with minus a squared. So this becomes b squared, 2y plus 1, equals 2a, 2y plus 1, minus a squared. Get rid of the brackets by multiplying out the brackets. 2yb squared plus b squared equals 2a, multiplied by 2y becomes 4ay, or 4ya, plus 2a minus a squared. Bring all the y's to the left hand side. So that's 2y b squared minus 4ya. Take the b squared to the other side, minus b squared. Okay, 2a minus a squared minus b squared. Factor out the y on the left hand side. So when we take the y out, this becomes y 2b squared minus 4a in brackets equals 2a minus a squared minus b squared. Then to keep the y on the left hand side, y equals, take this whole thing to the other side, so divide by that. Here this is, remember, multiplication. The opposite is division. So y equals 2a minus a squared minus b squared divided by 2b squared minus 4a.